Okay, we're going to talk more about permutations now with rearranging objects. So here's some examples. Matt has downloaded 10 songs. He wants to create a playlist using 6 in any order. So how many different 6-song playlists can he create with his downloaded songs? So we're trying to arrange 6 in different orders. So this is a permutation. So I'm going to take the 10 songs and I'm going to permutate 6 songs around. Okay, so now I got to figure this out. I will show you on scientific and then on the graphing calculator. So you're going to go 10 and then here's my NPR button. So that's what it's going to look like. And I get 151,200. Okay, on your graphing calculator, you have to type 10 first, and then go to this math button, over to probability, and then you can see NPR. So there it is, same answer. Okay, next question. Tanya needs to create a password for her social networking website. The password can use digits 0 to 9 or any letter of the alphabet. The password is case sensitive, so she can use both upper and lowercase letters. A password must be at least 5 characters long with a max of 7 characters. Each letter can be used only once. How many different passwords are possible? Okay, so let's talk about this. So you can use digits 0 to 9. So you have 10 digits. Okay, and then any letter of the alphabet. So you have 26 letters. So she can use both. So she has 26 letters, upper and lowercase. The word must be at least 5 characters to a max of 7 characters. Okay, so we are going to do different cases here. So let's talk about the situation. So the password could have been 5 characters long, 6 or 7. Okay. So if this is possible, like we have, this is 52, 62 options to use. Okay. So here we're going to be doing 62 and we're going to pick, we're going to have 5 that we could have rearranged around. Here 62 P6 and 62 P7, and then once we're done that, we would add all 3 cases up. So this is going to be a very, very large number. Okay, so 62 P5 plus 62 You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this all in one step because these are such big numbers. Okay, so brackets 62 math P5. So there's that one, plus 62 probability P6 plus 62. This calculator is a little bit longer to do this typing. Okay. So that should give me my answer, 2.52369 times 10 to the 12th. It's a very, very large number. Okay, suppose an online magazine requires each subscriber to have a password with exactly 8 characters. Using the same requirements as last, which one is more secure? Okay, so now this is just exact, so now 62, we're going to have 8 characters that we're picking to move around in any order. So 62 P8 is 1.36325 times 10 to the 14th. So you can see this has a lot more possible arrangements than this. So which one is more secure? So this one would be more secure because there's a less likelihood of getting somebody's right. Okay, next one. At a used car lot, 7 different car models are to be parked close to the street for viewing. The 3 red cars must be parked so that there is a red car at each end and the 3rd car is exactly in the middle. How many ways can the 7 cars be parked? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so all of those have to be red. So my 3 red cars, so when I start here I have 3 possibilities for red cars. Now I've used a red car, it's parked, so now I have 2 possibilities and then 1 possibility. So there's my red cars. Okay, now I have 4 cars left. So here I have 4 possibilities. Now I have 3 cars left, 2 cars, and 1 car. So we're just going to multiply that all through, and it comes to 144 ways you can rearrange those cars. So now B says the 3 red cars must be parked side by side. How many ways can they be parked? Okay, so if we're thinking about those red cars, they must be tied together as a unit. So they're a unit, which means we have 4 other cars. So altogether we have 5 units, we'll call them. Okay, so now within this unit we could move those red cars around though. So we're gonna rearrange, so we could put all 3 red cars in the middle. We could put 3 red cars over here, 3 red cars over there. So we're moving the units around. Then within that unit themselves, you can rearrange those 3 cars in 3 ways. So altogether there's 720 ways.